Today, we're getting into the latest Tesla news, including Tesla Bold ARK Invest predicts that shares will reach $4,600 by 2026. Tesla reportedly targeting 1K Model Y per week by the end of April. Tesla orders after April 17 will not include mobile charging connector. The company launches insurance based on real-time driver data in 3 more states and much more. So let's get into all the details. First up today, Tesla bulls from ARK Invest expect Tesla stock to be valued at $4,600 by 2026. ARK previously estimated that Tesla stocks would reach $3,000 per share by 2025. The investment management firm laid out all its price target expectations. ARK still believes that Tesla's self-driving robotaxi fleet, equipped with the company's self-driving software, is the key to achieving $4,600 per share. Tesla's prospective robotaxi business line is a key driver, contributing 60% of expected value and more than half of expected EBITDA in 2026. Across our simulation set, we expect electric vehicles to constitute 57% of the company's revenue in 2026, albeit at substantially lower margins than robotaxi revenue. For its bull case scenario, ARK expects Tesla's robotaxi fleet to generate $486 billion in annual revenue by 2026. ARK predicts that Tesla's robotaxi fleet would only generate $51 billion in annual revenue for its bear case. In 2021, Tesla generated nearly $54 billion in revenue, mostly through electric vehicle sales. The firm estimates that the total addressable market for autonomous ride-hailing services is about $11–12 trillion. In the Western markets, the total addressable ridership is $990 billion. ARK seems more confident that Tesla will achieve full self-driving. Whereas our previous downside case assumed that Tesla would never launch autonomous ride-hailing, our updated downside case assumes launch in 2026, 4 years later than Elon Musk expects, it noted. Elon Musk has also grown more confident in Tesla achieving full self-driving. In a recent TED interview, Musk seemed sure that Tesla had discovered a scalable solution to developing autonomous vehicles. During the Cyber Rodeo grand opening event, Musk also hinted that Tesla plans to develop a completely different vehicle for its robotaxi fleet. He also suggested that Tesla would try to get most of its ongoing projects, like the Semi and Cybertruck, moving forward by next year. Next up today, following Tesla's removal of the standard inclusion of the mobile charging connector, company representatives confirmed today any vehicle ordered after April 17 would not include the device. Over the weekend, Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed the automaker would no longer include a mobile charging connector with all vehicle orders. Usage statistics were super low, so seemed wasteful. On the minor plus side, we will be including more plug adapters with the mobile connector kit, Musk noted, attempting to justify the removal of the device. Tesla owners and enthusiasts pushed back considerably, not agreeing with the decision. Musk and Tesla eventually backtracked slightly, agreeing to drop the price of the mobile connector from $400 to $200 and adding an option to include the connector at delivery. After some owners indicated that Tesla would be including the mobile charging connector in any order placed before April 17, Tesla sales associates confirmed to Teslarati that this was accurate. Any order placed from today on will not include the mobile charging connector as a standard option. It also appears that some sales associates have indicated this to Tesla customers who have ordered cars within the past few days. A Reddit posting from Force user shows a Tesla sales associate confirming their order would include the mobile charging bundle. Tesla has used statistics to justify the removal of parts in the past. Model 3 and Model Y were both subjected to the removal of lumbar support in the passenger's seat due to low usage. However, many customers were upset to find that a somewhat rarely occupied seat would have a setting that could increase comfort removed from the car. Tesla may be taking a rather deliberate strategy with its vehicle production ramp in Germany. As per local reports, Tesla is currently looking to produce about 1,000 electric vehicles per week at Giga Berlin by the end of the month, with the company ramping to about 5,000 to 10,000 per week by the end of 2022. Giga Berlin only started vehicle deliveries during an event attended by CEO Elon Musk last month. Tesla handed over its first batch of Model Ys during the ceremony, but reports among avid watchers of the facility have hinted that Giga Berlin is still ramping its vehicle production slowly. Citing internal calculations by the company, German media outlet Automobile Watch estimated that Tesla will only be making about 30,000 cars at Giga Berlin this year, with higher outputs being achieved in 2023. This is surprisingly conservative, especially considering Tesla's pace in Gigafactory Shanghai. That being said, the German media outlet also noted that Tesla plans to ramp its weekly output to 1,000 vehicles per week by the end of the month. This would be quite an improvement, considering that Tesla is reportedly only producing about 350 vehicles per week at Gigafactory Berlin for now. By the end of the year, Tesla will reportedly be looking to improve its output to about 5,000 to 10,000 vehicles per week. Production would be paused for about 3 weeks in fall 2022, however, as Tesla would reportedly be transitioning the Made in Germany Model Y from one battery cell format to another. Considering that Tesla is currently using 2170 cells for the Model Y that are produced in Giga Berlin and the Fremont factory, it seems safe to assume that the fall 2022 shutdown in the facility would allow the company to transition its European-made all-electric crossovers with 4680 cells. So far, only Tesla's Made in Texas Model Ys are believed to be equipped with the company's new battery form factor. Tesla is currently building a dedicated battery cell production facility in the Gigafactory Berlin complex. Progress in the factory's construction has been relatively fast, and expectations are high that the battery plant will be operational in the near future. Estimates that Tesla could transition its Made in Germany Model Y to 4680 cells could then be proven accurate. Finally, Tesla Insurance, the automaker's growing insurance division, has launched its real-time driver data insurance product in 3 more states: Colorado, Oregon, and Virginia. It is now available in 7 states in total. Tesla Insurance is available in California as well, but without real-time driver safety data, due to regulations. Tesla had already introduced its own insurance product in California, but it didn't utilize real-time driving data or Tesla's safety score, which had been the original goal. Before expanding its insurance product to other markets, Tesla wanted to build up its safety score system, which utilizes driving data collected in real time from Tesla vehicles to determine if you are a good driver based on things like the number of forward collision warnings you get, the amount of hard braking you do, aggressive turning, unsafe following distance, and if you get forced autopilot disengagements. In October, Tesla finally launched its new insurance product based on the safety score in Texas. The automaker says that it expects those deemed average drivers based on their safety score should save 20% to 40% on their premium compared to competitors, and those with the safest scores could save between 30% to 60%. In a review of some quotes compared the existing premiums for Tesla drivers, it was hit or miss on whether Tesla's product was cheaper or not. There seems to be a bigger difference for those who already had a high premium based on age and gender, which Tesla insists it is not using in its own premium calculations, unlike other insurance companies. Also, when first quoting and starting a policy, Tesla assumes a safety score of 90. The monthly premium price can quickly go down if you improve this score. Tesla released an example that shows how the premium can change month to month depending on your score. Since releasing the product, Tesla has integrated everything into its mobile app, from ordering insurance to using the safety score to paying and managing claims. The company expanded the insurance product to Illinois in December, and then to Arizona and Ohio in January. Today, Tesla updated its website to note that its real-time data insurance product is now available in 3 more states: Colorado, Oregon, and Virginia. The addition makes for a total of 7 states with Tesla Insurance based on real-time driving data: Arizona, Colorado, Illinois, Ohio, Oregon, Texas, and Virginia. Tesla still hasn't been able to get the full product adopted in California, but the automaker recently started to let people who get Tesla Insurance in California use the driver safety score for educational purposes. In October, CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla Insurance is aiming to be in most states by the end of 2022. The regulatory landscape for insurance is complex and varies state by state. Therefore, Tesla has a lot of work to do to launch in any new state, but the effort appears to be paying off with 6 new states over the last 5 months. So what do you guys think about this? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you wish to be updated on every single topic related to the EV industry, you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. Also, thank you for watching the video. This is us signing off. See you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.